education system is not good in our country because all the students are not focusing on the studies and they were just by hearting the subjects, and in our country there is no practical system and all are focusing on marks only. What did you say about this?
Yes, Indian education system is very bad because teachers are teaching lessons only. They are earning money only. They are thinking their students' life. They are not thinking students' life. As a result of that, students are not thinking their parents' life. They are not getting good jobs in present days. What did you say that?
Education is necessary for each and every person. By educating only you can get a good fame in the society. When we see the education system in India, present education system is not good because nowadays the students are by having the system, by having the education not they don't get awareness of the education. When we see the olden days, students are learning own way, and they want to go to libraries. They search information. They are gathering some points, and that way students are increasing thinking power. But in nowadays students are not like that. They are totally depending upon the material. They don't lack of interest. They are doing behaving like that. But nowadays education system is not bad. Tell me your opinion about that.
Education system is good in nowadays. All are coming outside and studying well, and education system is very good, and everyone come outside and everyone studied in nowadays. In olden days girls were not coming outside and they were not studying, and in present situation education is important. In education is not only important, communication skills also important. I think in CRT class I can learn more, and education is not only important, in communication also important. In this point I can learn in CRT. What is your opinion about education, Anta?
In our society there are two types of education system. One is government schools and other one is the private schools. In private schools they are earning more money and they were taking much money from the parents, and the parents also very interested to join the children in private schools because parents are not giving a good education to the students. In CRT class I learned many things about this, and after I joined in CRT I realized that in our country education system is not good. After I joined in this I realized what is good education and what are the qualities the students have, and I think our education system is not good. So parents should join the children in government schools and they should give good education to the children.
Yes, Nuj, you are right. In past days, they were learning many things. In my grandfather, we ask any question, he tells suddenly. In that way, we are anyone ask ourselves. We are not asking suddenly. In past days, education is very good, but nowadays, some schools and somewhere we can see education is good. Some of these ways education is very bad in present situation. We can see in government schools they are not teaching the lessons. They are sitting only in chairs. They are not thinking students' life. They are giving materials and any Xerox papers. They are by hearting the lessons, and they are not thinking pass or fail. Some of the students we can see in private schools they are giving more papers, and they are giving more pressure to the students. That time we can see more in private schools. We can see more result. We can see in private schools result is very good. We can say. What did you say?
In past days, education system is teachers start the lesson for the students. They are learning, but in nowadays education system they have used to new technology. The education system is totally based on the technology. In education system they have used to the technology, new advanced technology represent represent the picture way and like that. But in education system they have so many faults, but comparing to the other countries, they have good education, they have good awareness of the education system. They are not depending upon the notes and materials. But in India, education system, students are totally depend upon the only for marks and material. They don't have any awareness of the education system. They don't get a certain opportunities in the society. They are facing so many problems in education system. Tell me your opinion about that.
In Indian culture, students all are studying. In Western culture also, students are studying, but they are in free time they are doing part-time jobs, and in that money only they can pay and they can study. In Indian culture, they aren't follow these rules, and Indian culture students are only studying, they are not doing jobs and they are not doing part-time jobs. Indian culture like this, and Western culture is good in education system. And what is your opinion about
in past day, when you see in past days, students were going libraries and they were studying very well and they were clarifying their doubts. But nowadays, all the students are not going libraries. Only they are by hearting the subjects and they are focusing on marks. If they get 100 by 100, they are useless and they don't get any job. If you get job, we can't without communication we get any job in the society. So students should focus on communications and they should communicate with others easily. But students are wasting their time by seeing mobile phones and other things. They are wasting their time, and teachers also are not giving a good education to the students, and they were only focusing on the marks only. In the CRT class, I learned many things from this and what is good education, and I realized that very well. And in first sem, we were only studying in practical way. We didn't study in any by hearting system, and also we get good marks in the exams. So I think practical system is very good to the students. If practical system is running in our country will be developed very well, and good opportunities will come to the students, and they will settle in their life very well. So I think practical system is very important nowadays in our country. Say about this, Nandini.
Yes, you are right. Nowadays, marks are not important nowadays. We should improve our communication skills. That time we will get good jobs in future. After joining this college, I learned this first in this class. Communication is very, very important. Our lives, marks are not important. First time we were only focusing on marks, and we were thinking about only exams. We were not focusing on communication. But now second time we are focusing on communication. In past days, exams were coming. We are very fear about exams, and we were not teachers were not complete their subjects. We were fearing about the subjects. That time we are facing many problems in first sem. Now we are not thinking about subjects. We are thinking about only communication skills. Very important nowadays.
Nowadays, every year millions of students are coming outside. They are completed their studies, but they don't have good job in their lives. They are struggling. They are educating, but they don't do job in the society. Because of that, they don't get good opportunities in the society, in the education system. Because in past they had learned only things only.
Okay, thank you.